Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Air Sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Take only what resonates, guys. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Air Sign sa mundo. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading. Jing Tarot Trader, i-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And, yeah, let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Air Sign? Kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading, astrological reading sa akin, astrological reading na may kasamang tarot advice yung available ha. Naka-promo yun. And doon na lang sa virgophilippines@gmail.com i-message mo ako doon. Hintayin mo yung reply ko. Pag hindi pa ako nagre-reply, meaning meron pang mga naka-line up. So, hindi pa open. Pero magre-reply ako kahit matagalan. Ayan, tinuuna ko muna kasi yung mga naka-schedule na, naka-line up na. Okay. You do have here the pathway, the main male, family matters, family room, and a wealthy man. Bottom of the deck is the toil and labor. Oh, hindi ko alam kung naaamoy mo na ba ang success, pero malapit na ang success para sa'yo. Some of you, parang positive ka mag-isip, nadadala mo yon, nakikita yon ng mga tao sa paligid mo. You are a proud person, may karapatan ka maging proud because ang dami mong pinagdaanan. And you are a person who is, capable of doing anything na gustuhin mo. The pathway, I can see you, malapit na eh. You are actually guided by your spirit guides, your angel guides. Ginagamit mo itong guidance na ito and malaki ang naitutulong nito sa'yo para mas ma-reach mo lalo nang mabilis ang mga goals mo. The family room, this is showing to me as like, I don't know, this is a person who could be committed. Pwede may family na involved. Pero with a wealthy man, parang this person feels empty. Alam mo yun, yung parang meron ako nito, may family, ganyan. Pero parang, hindi siya happy. Parang ganun. So, hindi to magre-resonate sa lahat kasi, of course, hindi ko naman talaga makuha lahat ng energy ninyo. So, if you're dealing with someone who is already committed, maybe akala mo nabubuhay na siya sa life na gusto niya, but unfortunately, hindi talaga siya happy. Maybe may kinalaman sa kanyang career or sa situation niya. Although meron na siya ng mga gusto niya or kailangan niya or akala niya gusto niya, parang hindi siya komportable or hindi siya kontento. And marami kayong pagkakapareho ng taong to ha. You have a lot of similarities. Maybe yung way ninyo magdamit, like nagko-complement kayo sa bawat isa. Emotions for the sign of Air Sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Air Sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, please. Emotions ninyo sa bawat isa. You do have your trust. Death and service. Emotion ng taong ito para sa'yo. You do have your empathy, fear, and gratitude. Okay, bottom of the deck is the growth. I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness and self esteem. So, the way I see this is that both of you are focusing on your growth. Parehong growth ninyo sa kanya-kanya ninyong sarili. The trust is here. You have learned how to trust the divine timing. Diba? Parang nagtiwala ka na lang na, oh, kung time will come, dadating siya, wala, kumbaga wala na makakapigil doon. If this person is really for me, if we are really destined para sa isa't isa, sige lang. Diba? This is you. You are thinking healthy, living your life to the fullest, and natututunan mo na yung connection ninyo. If it's not yet the right time, it's not yet the right time. Ganun lang yun. Death is here, so nabago na yung paniniwala mo. Maybe ikaw yung tipo ng tao na gusto ko siya, mahal ko siya, gusto ko siya makuha. Gagawa ko ng paraan na makuha siya. To the point na pwedeng na yung iba, no, nagnonobena, nagsunog ng kung ano nun, susunugin para lang may mangyari. Yung iba, pwedeng binigkas mo na binigkas ang pangalan niya, minanifest mo, natulog ka na sa ilalim ng picture, nasa ilalim ng unan, whatsoever, kung ano, etc. mang pinagagawa mo just to manifest this person. But you have learned na pwedeng, if now is not yet the right time, so be it. Parang ganun. Sige lang. Focus ka na lang sa growth mo. You're thinking positive na lang. Na time will come. It will eventually happen. Pero, hindi siya para ipilit. No? And you do have your service. So, maybe some of you're focusing on your service towards other people. Kung ano yung may tutulong mo, may bibigay mo sa kanila. Maybe, mas spiritually developed ka na ngayon, and marami ka natutunan dito sa connection ninyo. And I feel like for now, medyo madalang ka nang makapag-connect or communicate sa kanya, and it is because nagkaroon ka na ng ng parang feeling na priority ko na lang muna yung pera, parang ganun. Ang person na ito is, I am open to seeing both sides of the situation. Honestly, if your person is still in a relationship, nandito yung nahihiwagaan siya sa'yo, gusto niyang ma-experience ko ano yung feeling pag ikaw, ano yung feeling pag kayo, parang ganon. Sexually, ganon na rin. Parang iniisip niya, ano yung difference mo sa person na kakonect niya ngayon. Medyo nai-imagine niya yun, medyo iniisip niya yun. And during this period, pwedeng takot pa siya pero nandun yung alam niyang mahal ka niya. Natakot siyang mahalin ka, pero hindi niya mapigilang mahalin ka. The energy here is with the gratitude. I feel like ang nasa isip ng person na ito, kailangan ko magpasalamat sa kung ano yung meron ako ngayon. Kailangan i-appreciate ko to. Pero oo nga, naiisip niya yung mga bagay na yun na parang kailangan niya makontento. Pero deep inside, alam niya kasing may kulang. Alam mo yun? Kaya hindi niya maiwasan na isipin kung ano kaya ang pinagkaiba mo, or ano kaya ang meron sa'yo, kung bakit parang nag-iisip siya ng ganito. Nahihiwagaan na siya sa totoo lang. So what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? For air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. In the near future for air sign, the World, Six of Pentacles, Three of Swords and Five of Wands. Five of Swords. Ten of Swords, Eight of Swords, and the Judgment. Five of Wands. I want to clarify the Eight of Swords and the Ten of Swords. Two of Pentacles. Nine of Swords is here, and the Death card. I don't know, but both of you are experiencing some kind of ending in the near future. Pero hindi ending sa inyong dalawa, but rather ending sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong pinagdadaanan. The way I see this with the World and the Judgment, this has the same energy. Parehong major arcana. It's like both of you are being open. So, bago maging open ang bawat isa, nakakaamoy nga pala ako ng Milo or like a chocolate drink. This could be a reading. Anyway, Five of Swords. So, nakita tayo dito ng something na iiwan, aalisan. And the Three of Swords. This would cause you a lot of pain. Pero parang gagawin mo tong pain na to or mangyayari tong pag-alis o pag-iwas mo sa isang bagay na although masakit para sa'yo. Kasi with the Six of Pentacles, maybe you feel like ayoko na, hindi na balance. Parang ang dami ng kulang or ako na yung nagbibigay. Parang ganun. Parang hindi ko na nakukuha yung return or yung balik sa akin ng mga bagay na ginagawa ko. Maybe this is another relationship or connection. And the way I see this is that mas binibigyan mo ngayon ng pahalaga yung sarili na oo masakit. Pero ang hirap naman kasi na parang iwasan na nakikita ko yung red flags, yung alam ko sa sarili ko na kailangan na lagyan ng tuldok to. So, some of you, this is another relationship. It feels like another relationship or another connection. Pero kung hindi man, this could be pwedeng something na kailangan mong tapusin. Maybe kasi sobra na yung ibinibigay mo. Ganun. And parang sarili mo naman, parang ganun. Sarili mo naman yung bibigyan mo. And yeah. Pagdating sa person na kakonect mo, the Ten of Swords and the Eight of Swords, this is also a person who is, getting out of his or her comfort zone. Umaalis, natatapos with the Two of Pentacles. I feel like, kind of like juggling kind of energy na may kinalaman sa'yo. Parang, pwedeng, if ever that you're dealing with someone who is already committed, may kakonect na, may pamilya, pwedeng nagja-juggle siya kung saan siya magi-stay, kung magiging totoo ba siya sa sarili niya. But the way I'm seeing this is that hindi mapigilan eh. Pwedeng wala sa kanya ang choice, pero nakikita natin na pwedeng the Nine of Swords and the Death card, hindi na kayang i-deny kung ano man itong problema or stress na nararamdaman na ito. Na parang with the Death card, kailangan nang tapusin. And both of your sides are experiencing that in the near future. Hindi nyo na madedenay ang kakulangan ng mga bagay na nasa harapan ninyo ngayon. Na parang, time will come, kailangan nyo nang i-end yan. And in the near future, the Lovers is here. So this is like divine timing. So, tama yung nararamdaman mo na may divine timing sa inyong dalawa. And I feel like it's soon. Malapit na. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV. Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs. Anyway, pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba at sa mga gustong mag-inquire ng reading, virgophilippines@gmail.com. Bye-bye, guys.